Next question, on the topic of anxiety. If someone has a sudden feeling of stress or anxiety that seems to have no cause, what is the best way to deal with it? I remember the Al-Tira pasuk we read after Aleinu.
I would say study Torah. That's the only medicine, right? So this anxiety comes from the Satan, from Hara, right? Even though we say for no reason, but Hara would find you a reason, and sometimes like I know myself. So I said to myself, but there is no problem. Why are you worrying? Like I try to analyze the whole situation. And then you get into to the bottom of it. There's no problem, but the Hara pretends like no, it's almost the end of the life or something like that. That's it. There is no solution to the situation. What situation? What solution? Just stop it. You understand? But when you try to learn Torah, so Hashem said, I created Yetzer Hara to test you, and I created the Torah as an antidote. So not only one verse. So one verse is maybe it's going to help, maybe not. But when you delve in some subjects, whatever is it, could be halacha, could be Mussar, whatever is it. So it's going to help. How it's going to help? Because Hashem said so. So He said that Torah is the antidote for Yetzer Hara, right? Why you should be anxious, especially as when you think it's no reason. Most of the time there is no reason. Why? Because if you turn back and see like how many times Hashem delivered you from all of the situation, much harder and much worse than this one. So it would be laughable thing for you. You understand? But it's like build the clouds, the dark clouds around, like that's it. That's the end. You understand? So, but when we learn Torah, so Hashem is going to help through the Torah. Okay, what else?
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.